Look, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and I want to let you know that the next free 30-plus day Get Up and Go challenge is starting on August 1st. August 1st through 31st, we are doing the eighth 30-plus day challenge on how to deal with change and challenges automatically. Set a framework into your subconscious so that any change, any challenge that comes your way in any area or aspect of your life will guarantee that you'll get better results after that change or challenge than before you experience that change or challenge. Kind of a bold promise, but absolutely positively true. We've proven it in the 7 previous challenges, and we'll prove it again in this 8th challenge. Let us prove it to you. Let us join us. Just by joining us, you will gain a process and a system that will automatically help you with your physical well-being, your mental, your emotional, your spiritual, your financial, your relationships, your contribution, your communication, and your confidence. We're adding those this year as areas of emphasis and coaching and help and support, because those are confidence and communication are 2 of the foundational skills that we need that impact all the other areas and aspects of our life. So we'll go through actually specific examples of how you use the framework for each of those areas of your life to guarantee that you'll get better results, and to install it in our subconscious so it becomes automatic. Don't we like things that are automatic, that make our life easier? That's what this challenge is all about. Guaranteed 10 minutes or less a day for the videos, and 10 minutes or less a day to do your homework, to do your action item. I call them action items because whenever we learn something new, we want to apply it immediately so that we get the results that we're being promised that we're going to get, right? Have you ever done a training or heard something and you thought, oh my God, that's brilliant, and then 30 seconds later, absolutely forgotten about it? We're going to make sure that that doesn't happen. So I just wanted to let you know, give you a heads up that we will be starting the next 30-day challenge on August 1st, right here on the Get Up and Go challenge page. We also have a private Facebook group that goes along with the challenge that you're welcome to join anytime. And the secret is, if you go to the guide section of the Get Up and Go challenge group, you will find that the previous 7 challenges plus a couple other bonus activities and bonus items are in there that you can take advantage of right now. You can go there right now, join, answer the questions, answer the security questions. It's just so we don't get a bunch of spammers in that particular private group, and we want to keep it intimate and for the people that are really working on making changes and challenges just not have a negative impact on their life ever again. And that's where we can have the private conversations and we can share with one another what's really important and not have to worry about it getting out to the 2 billion people on Facebook. So again, just wanted to invite you to join us on the challenge and see if you can't make your life the way you want it to be. And see if you can't absolutely positively know with 100% certainty that any change or challenge that comes your way, you're going to be able to handle it. You're going to be better off than before you actually experience that challenge. I used to think it would be hard, but with COVID-19, I started doing it and found that if I figure out a way to make things simple, keep things simple, everything in my life becomes easier and less challenging. Now, we want challenges in our life, right? The only way we change or do anything is if something happens that causes us to think about an area or aspect of our life, or to notice an area or aspect of our life that we want to change or improve. And this process gets us always moving toward what we want automatically. All right, have an awesome day. Any questions? I put direct messaging on this. You can direct message me. Otherwise, I will see you August 1st right here. Take care. Bye. Get up. Let's go.